Sella turcica. The sella turcica or Turkish saddle is the deep depression in the body of sphenoid bone. It contains hypophysis cerebri, dural layers, and the intercavernous sinuses. The hypophysis fills about 50 to 85% of this sella turcica. The bony landmark around the fossa are: first is optic canal, lies between the root of the lesser wing and the body of sphenoid medially. It descends slightly anterolaterally and contains the optic nerve, ophthalmic artery, and meninges. Anterior clinoid process is the posterior projection from the lesser wing of sphenoid toward the sella turcica. The tuberculum celli is a midline ridge in the anterior slope of the sella turcica. The dorsum celli is the posterior wall of the sella turcica, the superolateral projection of dorsum from the posterior clinoid process. The groove for the internal carotid artery is formed by the anterior turn anteriorly from the foramen lacerum, and the groove can be seen on the sphenoid lateral to the sella turcica on the wall of the body of the this sphenoid bone. The middle clinoid process is a small elevation in the median edge of the groove in approximately 10% of the skull. The middle and anterior clinoid process are joined to form the continuous ring called the caroticoclinoid foramen. The lingula is a small projection arising on the posterolateral aspect of the carotid groove. The clivus is made up of the body of sphenoid bone behind the dorsum celli and the brachio-occipital bone at the posterior part of the body of sphenoid. The upper part of the pons lies adjacent to the clivus. So this posterior part of the clivus is made up of the body of sphenoid bone and occipital bone. Approximately 2% of skulls, there is a bony bridge joining the anterior clinoid and posterior clinoid process called the tinea interclinoidea. In approximately 1% of skull, there is bony projection in the floor of the sella that is called sellar spine. It is bony spicule that project from the junction of anterior and inferior wall of the sella toward the middle of the pituitary gland, and it is usually 1 mm in the diameter and 2 to 5 mm in the length. It's probably represent the ossified remnant of the notochord.